Hello, this is Micah Moreland with the final project part 2 presentation for the database. This is my database here real fast. So first we can look at the tables. My first one is customers, which is for all the customer information. Pretty standard stuff. I set the phone number to only include 7 digits and this credit card, debit card to only include 8 digits. I mean, the normal, I think it's 16 on that, but that's just too many numbers. So I set it up as kind of, I guess it's kind of validation. I mean, it'll only let you put in as many numbers as it wants, so it'll help people from making errors, I suppose. You can actually look here, my customers. Yep, just a bunch of random information. But to be clear, Harry Hobo, he lives on a box, in a box, that's on Rich Ave. But for some reason, he has access to not only a debit or credit card, but he also has a phone. But he only lives in a box. But we'll move on. He's a very tech savvy hobo. Look at the inventory one for all the storing information. The item number, kind of like how each item has a very specific number, and you can, well, like Walmart, you can get on Walmart's website and you can see if you can find an item and has a number, and you can tell them that number and they can just search it and find it, and that's the idea there. Name, quick description, how many there are in stock, and the price. You can look here at the ones I made. Yeah, more random stuff. Auto incrementing item numbers, just a, I don't know, one less thing you gotta put in. Starts at 0, so I guess it keeps a count of how many actual unique items you have too. So I guess that's a secret purpose for it. But yep, that's that. Excuse me. And the last table we have is sales. I think it was called purchasing in the thing, but I just made it called sales because I like that better. But this is a bigger table. I mean, it pretty much has the other two tables in it. Like just a name, phone number, credit, item, whatever. But this also has the New York sale Boolean value, so you can select if you need to charge them the 9% tax, and it has the total for their order total. That's what that one for is. Again, all the credit card and all the phone numbers all have their limiting how many numbers you can put in to try and keep it the same. If you wanted to compare them later, or who knows what you want to do. Oh yeah, forms. First one I have is a customer form for putting in new customers. The nice thing about the forms is, I mean, anyone who doesn't really understand computers that much can put in information easily, and they don't have to understand much about the whole database itself thing. I just throw someone in here real fast. Just throw in some numbers here and trying to put another number, and it won't let me, so that's always good. To help a lot if you wanted to use that later and compare a phone number to another phone number, it'd be much easier since you can only put in 7 digits. And throw in some numbers there, and same deal there. Can't do that. And it's set up so they can enter new ones and they can save them, but they can go back to the one they just made, but they can't go back to ones that already exist. That's should help keep errors from occurring, where maybe they went back and like took this guy's information and made a different phone number because they're working on the next one. But yeah, we can go see that. Let's see. Oh, there he is. Put that in there. Next we'll do the inventory form. There's the auto increment value. We'll do I don't know, whatever you want to craft. A bracelet. It's a bracelet. We got 6 of them in stock, and they cost $5.99 each. Save, we'll go on. And then we can go look at it. Oh, there it is. It's a bracelet. Then the auto increment nicely. Got a decent amount of room there for a nice short little description. And obviously all of these you could add in. You could add in more fields, expand on it, or even add in more tables and stuff for expanding if you want to. If you need your base to be bigger, or you have more products, or anything like that. And the last form we'll do sales. This one's kind of long, but I'll just do. I don't really know. We'll do me. Well, I don't want to do me. I'll do my sister. Some road. Numbers. Oops, don't want that though. Numbers. She wants to buy. Oh, I don't know. I don't remember this stuff off the top of my head. Let's see. She wants to buy. Let's see. She'll buy an antique clock. That's. Take that in there. I could probably get rid of this item name again since the item number refers to each unique item name. So that's kind of maybe that's a little redundant, but that's all right. And she does live in New York. Couldn't really figure out a way to get the sales tax working, so I guess that's you just have to do that by hand. Nice little fancy calculator. That was $29.99 times 0.09 plus $29.99. Boom! Now you have your total $32.69. Rounding. And then we can save and move on. Now we can't get rid of this crap. And of course check these sales out. And then there we go. Let's see, where's the new one? Oh, there it is. Everything's in right. The Boolean's right. Yeah. The only thing I don't like, I was tweaking with it. I couldn't find out a way to, on the report that I'll show you in a second, this comes up as a 0 or a 1, binary. If it's a yes, it's a 1. If it's a no, it's a 0. So I couldn't get up to show as a yes or a no or a true or a false. But I mean, oh well, I guess for now. Oh yeah, the reports. Here's the first output I got. This is just I don't know if you just want to print out a list of all the customers you have, or something like that. This is the one I thought would, this would be cool. Nice, short, sweet, to the point, everything. This might be want to be very secure, since it has what, like 11 people's credit and debit cards, address and phone numbers on it, so that might want to be not very distributed. But yeah, the other one I chose to do was a sales invoice for my choice of output, and that just this basically just says prints out what everybody bought. Maybe you'd want to, I don't know, like at the end of the month you want a big printout of what everyone bought. I mean, it could be helpful. You could have even more of them, I guess. You could have one that prints out all the, make a query first to see all the highest numbers of units sold, and then print that out so you can see what your most popular product is, so you can make more of it and sell more of it. Or reports are always good. They can help you with a lot of nice information. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. So I'll see you for now, I guess.